my crafts for today's vlog. I'll be making a scrunchie with scarf. I have here a nice printed satin, super cute design, and I love the color. And we need 2 fabrics for the scrunchies and for the scarf. For the scrunchie size, we have 10 centimeter by 80 centimeter. That is for the scrunchies, and for the scarf size is 16 centimeter by 88 centimeter. So what we need to do is you have to cut half round like this to make the scarf. This is our scrunchie tail. Just cut a little bit around, just like this, and you have to need to bone. I have born already all 2 sides. Now we'll bone what we have cut. Satin is good material to make the scrunchies because you can bone the fabric. Just like this. And now let's just sew these scrunchies. Yeah, I have already stitches the scrunchies, and now we'll have to turn it to the right side. Just cut the extra thread. We will need 25 centimeter elastic. I use 1 centimeter wide elastic, and then insert to the fabric. Don't forget to clip or pin it so that you won't go inside the elastic, so you don't have to put again and again. Just like this, and oops, here, don't go inside. Oh yeah, okay. And all you have to do is tie it, adjust from your hands and finish. Yes, that's more than enough, and tight. Got the excess elastic. You can either glue or stitcher, but I will be using a glue so that our scrunchie is seamless. I will using B6000 glue. This is clear glue and it's very fast to dry. So this is what I've been using to close up the scrunchies so that we have the seamless scrunchies.